Let's learn positional language. Where is the cat? Is the cat under the duvet? In the duvet? On the duvet? Or behind the duvet? Let's have a look. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. Where is the cat now? The cat is on the sofa. On the sofa. Where is the cat now? The cat is under the duvet. Under the duvet. Where is the cat now? The cat is behind the gate. Behind the gate. Where is the cat now? The cat is between the pillows. Between the pillows. Where is the cat now? The cat is beside the box. The cat is beside the box. What is the cat going to do? The cat's going to jump over the heater. Jump over the heater. Where is the cat now? The cat is in the box, but she's going to jump out of the box. The cat is out of the box. Now it's your turn to tell me where is the cat. Are you ready? Let's go. Where is the cat? Is the cat at the box? On the box? Or in the box? Well done, the cat is in the box. Where is the cat now? Is she at the sofa? On the sofa? Or in the sofa? The cat is on the sofa. Well done. Where is the cat now? Is she over the duvet? Under the duvet? Or in the duvet? The cat is under, well done, under the duvet. Where is the cat now? Is the cat in the gate? Is the cat behind the gate? Or is the cat on the gate? Well done, the cat is behind the gate. Where is the cat now? Is the cat at the pillow? Behind the pillow? Or is she between the pillows? Well done, the cat is between the pillows. Where is the cat now? Is she at the box? On the box? Or beside the box? Well done, the cat is beside the box. Where is the cat now? Do you think she's going to jump on the heater? Or over the heater? Or in the heater? Well done, the cat jumped over the heater. Where is the cat now? Is she going to jump on the box? Behind the box? Or out of the box? Well done, the cat jumped out of the box. Now have a look around and see, where are your toys? Are they in the box, out of the box, or on the box? Well done, everyone. Good positional language. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.